side. You could have called me if I buy something for me. Alright guys, the government actually just imposed a lockdown on St. Catherine, right? 7 days lockdown starting 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, right? Which mean that no exit and entry in within St. Catherine and other parishes, right? And I had to stop and think, right? Because we got a road to draw some money and to see if we could get any like green stuff because I was running low. Like I needed like cabbage and all those stuff. But whatever I have I can manage, right? And for me really like last minute, and this lockdown was very last minute, right? And it's not like I have a car to say let me just jump in the car and just go hold up or go buy something. So I went out a road to draw some money because I want to do some online shopping for them to
see them people. See that online shopping. Hey, so I'm with black people. I said
online shopping for them to do delivery at my house, right? And I needed money, right? And I also went to buy some green groceries and fruits, right? Which we know me now get a lot of that, but if I could get like probably 2 oranges and so forth, then would have good because me have some orange in the fridge. But me like we have orange in the morning, if you understand, with my breakfast. And I don't have enough for 7 days, right? And I'm not a last minute person, right? But this lockdown was so sudden, right? Like a lot of us, like the government just come and say, yo, them are closed down St. Catherine because we get 31 new cases and all of them come from St. Catherine, which we understand the whole lockdown situation, right? And because it never really finalized, like there was a lot of, let me see now, the news that go, it was not final news, right? But me have to really stop and think, like if people really think, right, like if they really listen, because when we got to just a while ago, the crowd when we see is like panic shoppers, right? Like people go there and them and buy up some whole person, right? And even at the gas station pack line at the gas station, right? And I heard the government saying that, you know, essential businesses is going to be open. So like supermarket, corner shop, and gas station and pharmacy are going to stay open, right? Now, if it is that the gas station are going to open, why is it that so many person I forgot the gas station now for full up them tank? Like why the corner shop so full? Like we don't understand like why. Like why? And me did just out there, me never buy nothing because I am not going to go in the supermarket with them crowded. I mean I know if nobody have it, plus I am not me I want me a person where like me don't like to mix up with people, like me don't like the whole sweating thing, you understand? Me know people that touch me. Not saying me as scan anybody, me just me just like to keep my distance, especially now we have to keep a distance. And right now when we see everybody back to back, front to front, I say ball, I shout out beg you want Lasco, beg you want this, beg you want that over the counter. Like I don't want that, right? So I was just out there and just talking and just watching the crowd, and police a circle every now and then. I guess they're waiting on 9 o'clock, right? And but just I wonder, like, at first me I see so much crowd gutters. If I no party, like me never go party, but me never see so much crowd at gutters. And when we go out there, you know, my neighbor tell me say that's half of what was out there. So you can imagine, right? You can imagine. So that's basically what's going on out here, and it's not just gutters. I hear that all of the corner shop them, all of the supermarket surrounding St. Catherine packed, right? Packed all over road, Spanish Town, like that's what's going on out here. Now, guys, if you're not up on the road, stay in, because this was a rapid increase. Like normally the most we would get is 4, but getting 31 one day in one parish, that's crazy. So stay in, wash your hands, keep safe, wear a mask. The Prime Minister said, everybody's supposed to wear a mask, and if you're going to the supermarket, walk with the ID. So yeah, stay safe, keep prayed up, and eat healthy, stay healthy. And you don't have to go look for nobody. Call upon people, call and check up on them and make sure everybody's alright and thing. Stay close to your family, stay close to your friends, and stay close to God, most definitely. Like guys, the Prime Minister just announced lockdown in St. Catherine, right? And the whole of Gotha has gone crazy. Like literally. Like everywhere packed. And we're just out here. I just enjoy the scenery. Like everybody are full of them guests. So this is what happened when the government said there's a lockdown. Everybody and anybody come out. I first see somebody I got ties. Must say dance. Yeah. And then they say the worse than this. So you can imagine.
Yeah, so it's a party.
It's a party.
7 to 9 party.
7
lockdown.
Before 5 a.m.
Yeah. I go put it on me.
We turn out by itself. Over there's a full. Over there's a lock. Who need wildfire? Who need wildfire? It's Friday for. Eh? Family them are going. go buy stuff.
But they actually spend off all of the money I think so.
So what them sell down there so? Well, supermarket down there?
Yeah man, one supermarket down there.
How much one me live?
You never know someone down there?
No, you know if you answer.
That one the one out of
Down
Green.
at the gas station.
Yeah.
me never know.
So you know when you pass you know see people.
Me nah look.
You know come out of here.
No, but you take taxi and pass.
Me nah look.
Take taxi.
Me look straight.
Okay, well you better start look all over the place now.
All that older one, not even know say the place they burned down yesterday. You never know say they paint.
You know, some
Of course,
people will
it
have
be-
a-
Ah,
I'm
Jesus.
going now. You know, go get them all out. Me turn off. I'm not going to have a case with boy. You know, go get them.
Anyway, let's go. Bye.
Yeah, go ahead.
See you later. Alligator.
You see when
But I guess up. Me see should I buy last kind of mother one so last coffee through. Scott turn back out a road lock. Yeah. Lock, turn back. You don't believe me? So turn back. A joke. Them are close the Oreo. Guys, this is a real thing. Like, this is the first I've seen such chaos since the day I was born. Like, not even Hurricane Ivan, like, that wasn't so bad. It just come and go, right? And at the first maybe witness all them something, like, I wasn't around when World War One and Two was around, and even the whole Chick V and all them something, it never stay so long, right? Now this thing are going from about December, right? And it started off with just one person, or probably just one country, and it spread throughout all of the countries, right? And then it came to Jamaica. When they come to Jamaica, it was at Bull Bay, right? Just 2 persons have it, and now we're at 105, right? Yesterday we were at 73 or something like that, and St. Catherine had 5, right? 5. And between yesterday and today, 31 cases, new cases from St. Catherine, right? 31 new cases from St. Catherine, and that's just the result they get from a few of them, right? And the workers, they have over 700 workers? I don't remember what. Like, say for instance, they have like 100% of workers, and out of the 100%, 20% was tested, right? And then 10% they got back results, right? So say it not done this, so right? And we just have one thing to say, guys. Keep safe. Like, if you not go on the road, no go on the road. And if you not go work, like for the health workers them and the soldier and the police was maintain order in the country and all that, like, yeah, them pick up on the road. But for the other workers them, like, if you not go up on the road, no gonna go up on the road. I understand say some places need to stay open, like the essential businesses and the essential places them have to stay open, like supermarket and pharmacies and gas station and all those things. Like, they can stay open, and those workers can go to work. But for all the other workers then, when they needed, for all the person when they need to go up on the road, or just go up on the road, if you just go look, or if you just go send them buy one patty or something, no, this is not the time to do that. So what you need to do between tomorrow and Wednesday, you go up on the road and go buy a month supply of stuff, Like literally, this is the only way we're going to get rid of this thing. Go buy a month supply of stuff and turn on the yard, like stay in the yard. And we understand saying not everybody have the money to buy a month supply, and most person live from hand to mouth or whatever. But if you have it, just go do it, because if we continue the way we're going, then it not go in, yeah. So, and if you don't realize, say, yo, US gonna lead, like 700 and people are dead in New York every day. That's crazy, yo. We don't want it to reach Jamaica. We don't want it to be like that, right? I don't even care if it's Jamaica. I don't want it to be like that in the world. So, just stay in the yard. And even if the boss says to come and work, like for me, if I was working somewhere and miss your crazy target and me know say me have to go mix and mingle with people me not even know who have it, me I say me I'd rather lose my job than go lose my life. Like I rather to lose the job than to lose my life. And that is why it's good to have good money management. It's good to save. Like this corona is teaching us a lot of stuff, right? For all who used to save, look at it now. They have the money them can fall back on. For all who used to squander their money, now them learn, right? Because when you could have the money for go buy up some stuff and whatever and get through this pandemic thing. Because if it is that everybody will go on road for go buy one cent a day, the virus are going to spread. And the virus don't walk, right? The virus cannot walk. It travel within people. And the only way it can get around is through people. And if we continue moving, then the virus are going to continue to move. So in order for it to stop, we need to stop moving, self-quarantine, stay yard, and just pray, because only God can get you out of this. And I was actually very hopeful to say that, yo, by May it would be all over with, but me not see it all get over with. Like, this is so crazy. And I honestly not scared. I am not scared. I'm just concerned. And I just want all of my friends, my family, everybody with me know if you just be safe, stay inside. If you not go up on the road, don't go. Because I don't want to hear no one in my diaspora or no one who I know to die or to be affected by it or anything. Me no wish no bad for nobody, but I don't know. This is really serious, and some people not take it serious. Like me not understand. Or if you not take it serious, me understand. So when it just did come, like it did look like or whatever, but the fact how it do China or it do US, and then now no make it come at Jamaica, and how it go do Jamaica. Like, yes, I know Jamaica is a blessed country, but the Bible says we must act upon wisdom, right? And if you are go out and go party and dance and whatever, that is that wisdom. Like, if the government say, yo, if we stay in the yard, and turn in the yard, because even the same good book said, we must respect the law of the land, right? To be a good citizen, we must respect the law of the land. And even if I'm not a JLP, even if I'm not PMP, whoever in power will need to respect the law, right? Whoever in power, respect the head, right? Because that give honor where honor is due, right? So, it's very crazy. And just, wear a mask. Like, I never see the day that I would wear a mask, but now I'm actually thinking that I should make my own mask, because if St. Catherine a total lockdown, then I won't be able to go out and buy any. So I need to just go and make my own, stay in and cook, and be safe. Read a book, read a Bible, do stuff that you're longing to do. Like, a lot of person wish when they were working, they wanted the time off, and now you get the time off. You know, it's like you want to go on the road and go party and go beach, and no, it's not the time for that. Go rest, go sleep. If you do little time, you used to complain and say, oh, you're tired, you're tired, you're tired. Then go sleep now, you understand? But guys, please be safe. Stay in the yard. If you have to go on the road, don't go on the road. And you know, maybe it's time for you guys to find a new hobby, indoor hobby. Spend time with your family. Like, yeah, spend time with your family. But I love you guys always. Stay safe. And I think I'm going to do a 1 week quarantine shutdown day in my life thing, so you guys can keep up to date. I don't think I'm going on the road. Maybe tomorrow I'll go on the road because I want to get some green groceries, as I said before. But differently from that, I'm gonna stay in. So see you guys. Love you. Bye.